and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this sour inspired like title on CapCut PC, like the effect. So adding like a background, I'm just going to select this one. It's fine, you can use any background you want, of course. And then you're just going to type in like letters like one by one. Select the font, and then I'm actually going to do it all in like undercase. Then you're going to basically select background, and then you're going to adjust the height and the width as well. You can also, I don't think you can adjust the line for it, it's fine. Then for the background, you can just change the color of it. I'm just going to select the color pink, and then just copy and paste it. You can like adjust the size and change like the text here, and also like change the color as well, and just keep doing that. I'm just going to type in the word hello on this one. And just copy and paste that. And then again, change the color of it. Hello. And again, you can adjust the width and height of it. Let's use maybe like this one. This blue one. There you go. And once you're done, if you want to add a texture, I'm actually just going to adjust this a little bit because the colors are kind of messing with the text. There we go. Now, once you're done with everything, you're just going to select everything. I'm actually just going to split these first. Hold on. Right click, create compound clip, go to effects, and select like paper. Okay, just go to texture actually, and then you can just like add in, oh, it's called fold, sorry. You're just going to add in some paper textures on top of it, so it looks like there's like some, I guess, textures to the text. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.